Hi everyone. Have you also noticed the avalanche of new capabilities coming into Office 365 and by extension Microsoft 365 over the past couple of weeks? The pace at which new capabilities are being released is brutal. And one of the challenges that you have as an IT professional or a developer even is try and keep up with everything that you're being hit with. Now, one of the things that I've learned a lot from over the past couple of years is attending various conferences because it's a great opportunity to do two things. First of all, attend sessions for topics that you are really interested in and learn firsthand either from Microsoft or consultants deploying it out in the wild on what the technology does, how it behaves or how it doesn't behave. So you get a lot of real insights. But additionally, at those conferences, it's a great way of talking to people, have discussions about technical stuff, about issues you've encountered, or how some other people have solved similar issues. So it's really, really a good opportunity to continue learning. And as in IT, we're on a lifelong learning path. I've always enjoyed various conferences. Now, one of the things that you have to know about conferences is there's so many out there. So which ones do you have to attend? Well, obviously there's a couple of things to consider, right? There's cost, distance, and time. And what you will notice is that there's two periods in the year that most conferences happen. First, there's during spring, and then in the second part of the year, there's some other conferences typically focused around or positioned around Microsoft Ignite. So in the next couple of weeks, you have a few great conferences where you can go and attend and learn a lot of things. And this is what I want to talk to you about. First of all, if you're in Belgium on May 20th to 22nd, there's Arama, where there's a lot of great content. It's basically a very small conference. Well, it isn't very small anymore. It started out as a very small conference, but it grew year over year just because of the great content, the great location, and how well organized it is. I'll be speaking there about Office 365 mergers and acquisitions. So if you're interested, come and find me over there. But I guarantee you it's a really great conference. A little bit later in May, there is the European Collaboration Summit, which happens in Germany. Similar to Arama, they have a breadth of sessions covering all Microsoft 365. They have workshops as well, so that's well worth attending with a lot of great speakers, a high number of attendees. I mean, not too big, small enough to make it intimate so that you can have real meaningful conversations. And there too, I'll be speaking about Office 365 mergers, acquisitions, divestitures, and how to deal with it. Then jumping into June, there's two really interesting conferences, one of which isn't really a conference. First of all, on June 6th in the Netherlands, there is Experts Live. It's a conference with a very long tradition, which started out in the Netherlands, I believe, but is now being hosted all over the world. Again, really great content, and it's a great opportunity to learn firsthand from other experts as well. And you'll be finding me there speaking about Microsoft 365 security, or better, how to develop a security strategy, because that is a challenge today. There's so many capabilities out there. Defender ATP, Cloud App Security, Sentinel, the integration of them all, built-in capabilities, external services, and I'll be talking about how to bring all of them together and build a really well-established security strategy, which will carry forward not only now, but also into the future. And then on June 18th, there is a meetup in the Netherlands. It's fairly new. It's organized by a co-MVP, Martin Hoed, in the Netherlands. And there I'll be talking about Windows Defender ATP and how well it integrates with Office 365 and Microsoft 365 and why you should really consider it. So over the next 2 months, there's lots of opportunity if you're in Europe to start learning, to continue learning, to engage with a lot of great speakers and learn a lot of new content. So I sincerely suggest that you take a look at these conferences. I've added their links below. If there's still room, then hurry up because they're selling out really fast, if not already. But I look forward to seeing you there, and take care. See you later.